This looks promising, actually. Last time the handset was busted in two. This looks like a brand new one. I do think we're going to have dial tone. Indeed, we do. How about that? Actually,
there is a train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Please deposit 50 cents. It's working. We have Payphone radio on this Main Street Flushing 7 train station. Payphone. Now I'm going to see if, as an added bonus, maybe the other one works this time too. I don't think it does because there's no placard on top and somebody left a bag on it. What the hell? It's a pretty heavy bag. No, that one doesn't work. I didn't expect it to. Actually, I want to exit on this side. But thank you to PTS for getting something done. I know it's not as possible to do it quickly as it used to be. So this took a few months, I guess, since I first discovered it. The problem was that it didn't accept coins. The coins would just go straight down to the return slot. And then later the problem became that the handset was busted in half. Maybe because somebody got frustrated upon discovering that it didn't take coins, I don't know. But we have working phone now, so all's good. And this one is still moldering away. I'm not going to have time to check on the other one. I guess this is the first close-up like this that I've done with this camera, or which is to say the first one I'm not doing with the cell phone. I'll be interested to see if there's a notable quality difference. No dial tone, but you can't have everything. I keep forgetting to do this. Gotta get going. Well, I had enough time to check on the other phone around here. The only other one I know of. But wouldn't you know it? It is surrounded by hookers now. That's new. And and they were looking me over, I tell you that. Masaji? Wow. So I'm not going to be getting that one. Not today, at least.
Kami জীবনেও কোনোদিন যায় না।